is a good one.
That'll help make the eye. Set your phone up right here on your table.
Right in front of it?
Yeah. On top of it.
Go from Tannerite on the book.
Kind of a far shot.
What's that?
Kind of far.
You can get closer.
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh man. You're hitting the book. That worked. Something hit me on my arm.
I mean, you put a couple shots in the log to weaken it.
That's awesome.
The bottle's gone. There's no orange. There's bits of red. Where's the rest of the red?
Yeah.
Destroyed that book though.
Oh, here's a pretty big chunk.
Nope, that's part of it. It's funny, you can see like the burns where the grains like
Yeah,
like embedded into it. Golly.